You say, I like it even. That sounds really strange to Americans.
Yeah, the correct way is I even like it. Totally different meaning.
If you put even in the wrong place, people won't understand you.
And today, we're fixing that. Let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome to Speaklio English.
I'm here to help you speak real, natural English every single day.
And I'm here to make sure you sound confident in every conversation.
Today, we're teaching you how to use the word even like a native speaker.
It's a tiny word, but it makes you sound so much more natural.
And we'll practice it together, step by step.
So hit that subscribe button right now.
Because you're about to speak better English in just 15 minutes.
Let's start.
Okay, so what's the problem with even?
Most learners put it in the wrong place in the sentence.
Right, they say things like, I can speak Spanish even.
That sounds so unnatural.
Yeah, Americans don't say that.
The correct way is, I can even speak Spanish.
Hear the difference?
Even comes before the verb or the surprising part.
Exactly. Let's say both again.
Wrong way, I can speak Spanish even.
Right way, I can even speak Spanish.
You got it? Say it with us. I can even speak Spanish.
Good. One more time.
I can even speak Spanish.
Perfect. So why do we use even?
We use it to show surprise.
Or to say something is unexpected.
Like, she even called me on my birthday.
That means you didn't expect her to call.
But she did. Surprise.
Exactly. Even adds that feeling.
Let's try another one.
He didn't even say thank you.
Ooh, that sounds disappointed, right?
Yeah, you expected him to say thank you, but he didn't.
So even shows the surprise or the problem.
Now say it with me. He didn't even say thank you.
Again, he didn't even say thank you.
Nice work.
Let's look at where even goes in a sentence.
This is super important.
Rule 1, even comes before the verb.
Like, I even forgot my keys.
Not, I forgot my keys even. That's wrong.
Right, I even forgot my keys.
Let's practice. Say it.
I even forgot my keys.
Great. Again.
I even forgot my keys.
You're doing awesome.
Rule 2, even comes before the surprising word.
Like, even my boss liked the idea.
Here, even goes before my boss because that's the surprise.
You didn't think your boss would like it.
But he did.
So we say, even my boss liked the idea.
Not, my boss liked the idea even.
That sounds so strange.
Let's say the right way together.
Even my boss liked the idea.
One more time.
Even my boss liked the idea.
Perfect.
Now let's practice with negative sentences.
This is where learners make mistakes.
They say, I don't know even.
Ugh, that's wrong.
The correct way is, I don't even know.
Even comes right after don't or didn't or can't.
Like this, she didn't even listen.
They can't even try.
I don't even care.
Say that last one with me. I don't even care.
Again, I don't even care.
Awesome.
Let's do a quick quiz.
I'll say a sentence wrong, you fix it.
Ready?
She likes coffee even.
Okay, what's the right way?
Think about it.
The answer is, she even likes coffee.
Yes, even comes before the verb.
Good job.
Next one. I can't speak Italian even.
How do you fix that?
Pause and think.
The answer, I can't even speak Italian.
Exactly. Even comes after can't.
You're getting this.
Now let's use even in real-life situations.
Because that's how you learn real English.
Because that's how you learn real English.
Situation 1, at a restaurant.
You want to show surprise about the food.
This burger is so good, I even ate the fries.
You normally don't eat fries, right?
Right, but this time you did. Surprise!
Exactly. Even adds that feeling.
Let's say it with me. I even ate the fries.
I even ate the fries.
Nice.
Situation 2, talking to a friend.
Your friend is always busy, but today they came to your party.
You say, you even came to my party? Thank you so much.
That shows surprise and happiness.
Good job.
Next situation. You're shocked your little brother cleaned his room.
You say, you even cleaned your room?
Yes, that's perfect.
You sound surprised.
Exactly.
Last situation. You didn't finish your homework.
You want to tell your teacher.
What do you say?
Think.
You could say, I didn't even start it. I'm sorry.
Good. That's honest and clear.
And you used even correctly.
You're amazing.
Okay, let's do a super quick recap.
We learned that even shows surprise.
It comes before the verb or the surprising word.
Like, I even forgot my keys.
Or even my boss liked it.
With negatives, even comes after don't, didn't, or can't.
Like, I don't even know.
And your tone shows if it's a good or bad surprise.
You did great today.
All right, now it's time for your homework.
We want you to practice.
Go to the comments right now.
And write one sentence using even.
It can be about your day, your life, anything.
Like, I even woke up early today.
Or, my cat even ate vegetables.
We'll read your sentences.
And we'll give you feedback.
So don't be shy. Comment now.
And if you loved this lesson, hit that like button.
It really helps us.
Also, subscribe to Speaklio English.
We make lessons like this every single week.
Real English, real conversations.
No boring grammar rules.
Just you speaking confidently.
That's our goal.
Remember, learning English is a journey.
And every sentence you practice makes you better.
You're doing amazing.
Even if you make mistakes, that's okay.
Mistakes help you learn.
So keep practicing.
Keep watching.
And keep speaking.
We believe in you.
And we can't wait to see your sentence in the comments.
Thanks for learning with us today.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Keep